Hi there, my name is Michelle Licciardi from Advanced Tubular Technologies. Our VTube-LASER software is utilized by partners worldwide, and in today's video I want to show how to measure and qualify a wire from our partners over at Automated Industrial Machining. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step of this process is gathering the parametric data of this wire using our collected control feature. We're going to collect the straights, and in this case the 180-degree bend, in order to gather the XYZ and LRA data. From here we can choose our units between inches and millimeters, and then send this information directly to the wire bending machine. Now that we've transferred this wire into VTube-LASER, we're ready to go ahead and measure the wire to compare it back to the nominal step file we loaded in. The first thing I'm going to do is measure end A and straight 1. It's very important in this measuring process to make sure that our diameter cut plane DCP is turned on. We're then going to align the measured tube back to the nominal tube, and we can tell right away based on our tolerance here of 70 thou that some adjustment needs to be made over on the bender. In order to make an adjustment, we're going to enter the Bender Setup tab and perform a recall from the wire bending machine. That's going to update our blue columns here with what the wire bending machine used to bend the first part. The white columns you see here are the adjustments that VTube-LASER recommends making for bending the second wire. The yellow columns are the blue plus white added together, and we're going to send those corrections back to the wire bending machine to bend a second part. Now that I have the corrected part back from the bender, you can tell visually the difference between the first part and the second part. We're going to go ahead and measure the corrected part to see how much closer we are to nominal. Now when we align this second corrected wire back to nominal, we can tell right away that with just one correction, this wire fits within our tolerance here of 70 thou. We could then print out a report showing that this wire passed inspection and save this report for future use. And that's how easy it is to measure and qualify a part using VTube-LASER and working with one of our partners like AIM. If you have any questions about what you've seen here today, please feel free to reach out to me or the rest of the team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks, and have a great day.